So this is not just for people who are in their early 20s. This could really be for anybody, but especially when you're in your early 20s, at least, I was part of this group. It's kind of hard to keep a $100 a month balance in your checking account all the time. You've got banks that for less than $100 of an average daily balance, you get charged like a $6 a month maintenance fee. And that's ridiculous, by the way, when you get charged $6 for having under a $100 balance. So even if you're at $99 and you get charged $6, technically that's even more than 6%. And then after that, you just get killed even more than $93 minus six. And, you get the math. So here's my advice to you. Don't get mad or don't get upset with the bank. Just find a new bank, find another bank that doesn't have those maintenance fees. Banks know that this is ridiculously expensive and they know it's an exorbitant fee, and they know that people, especially young people who, may have a part-time job only, etc. They know that $6 a month for just essentially doing nothing, taking $6 out for this quote maintenance is really kind of going to kill you. So the reason why they're doing it is not to make money, because a lot of people still think that that's the case. No, they actually are not making money, and that's not why they do it. They do that for a very simple reason. They are actually trying to push you out of that bank. So they don't want you as a customer. In marketing, we often talk, or we mostly talk about, how every company, how every organization wants your business. They want you as a customer. They want you as a customer. But sometimes in marketing, you have to talk about the other side of the coin, where this is an example where a company does not want you as a customer at all. So they know that these are ridiculous fees. And what they're trying to do is they're trying to actually push you out politely. Of course, they can't technically push you out for no reason. First of all, that could fall under discriminatory laws. And secondly, they obviously do not want the bad PR around it. But they do that because these accounts that are under $100, I mean, again, no judgment. When I was in my 20s, I was there. So they want you to basically leave as a customer. These accounts are not profitable to them. And that's why they have these high maintenance fees. So the last thing I would say in terms of advice, if you're someone like me who, you very reasonably get upset with things like this, you go to the bank, you're outspoken, you want to tell them how you feel, you want to speak your mind, and you tell them, how ridiculous these fees are, and that you're going to take your business elsewhere and you're going to close your account, etc. Actually, don't waste your breath. This is one of those times where I would say don't waste your energy at all. If you can find a bank that doesn't have these ridiculous fees, then just simply close your account at your current bank and go to the other account, or go to the other bank. That's all you really need to do. Because if you basically kind of, give your current bank this whole, hey, these are ridiculous fees, hey, I'm going to change my bank and go somewhere else. In the back of their mind, they're actually smiling and they're saying, thank God, they're finally leaving. Perfect. This is exactly what we want them to do. And it is exactly what they want you to do, by the way. So you don't need people laughing behind your back. When you want to threaten a company, which I'm all for, by the way, I don't mean violently, of course, but I've threatened companies, my entire adult life, and I will continue to as a customer, by the way, seriously. No need to basically get into any of that. When you threaten a company, you want to threaten a company where they actually are afraid of losing your business. This is one of those situations where this is precisely what they want you to do. So now you know why you have those ridiculous bank fees for all accounts under $100, why they're there, and what you can do about them. So send me your comments and questions, and each week you'll get a chance to win a copy of one of my books. Your choice, either my book on presentation skills or business writing skills.